Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply your coupon codes to your orders in Temu. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you obviously have to put some items to your cart. I already have two items you can see on the bottom of the screen right corner, but if you want to if you do not know how to edit, I can show you. Just click on that item. Obviously there are information about it, and you can see that at the bottom of the screen add to cart option. Or if you go back and you do not want to read any information about the product, just to edit, you can see that cart icon, and you can just click on it and you can see that it's added to my cart. So I'm going to click on my cart at the bottom of the screen right corner, and you should see that there are 3 items, and you have to click on the checkout, and after that you should see the apply coupon code option. Click on it, and here you have to enter your coupon code, and that's it. Just click on the apply, and if you have eligible coupon code, then it will be added to your order. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.